Hey, this is Chad Pornoa. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your WordPress website in 1 minute or less, okay? So what you want to do is once you're logged into the dashboard here, I want you to go over here to the plugins. I'm going to show you a very powerful free WordPress caching plugin that's going to speed up your site very fast. It's called WP Fastest Cache, okay? So we'll click right here on Add New. Then we'll come over here and we'll type in WP Fastest Cache. Then we'll click right here on Install. Okay, we'll activate it. Before we do anything with it, I want to show you how fast the site's loading up right now, okay? So we'll just enter the URL right there, and we'll let the GT metrics let us know how fast things are loading before we add the plugin and set all the features. But this will literally take you less than a minute to do all this stuff. I'm just showing you in detail, okay? So here we go. We're going to see what it says here in just a sec. Alrighty. Alright, it says 97 and 85, and you can see some of these are green, light green, then a little orange, so it needs a little bit of fixing up, okay? So what I'm going to do is come back over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to WP Fastest Cache right there. We're going to turn on, enable it. We're going to turn on all the features. Now this is for the free version, but the free version should do plenty for you, and it should speed your website up pretty good. So don't worry about the paid version right now, okay? So we just click all those buttons right there, move that up to 12. Then we just click the next one here, enable all these. Click OK. Click OK on that, enable the next one. Alright, so we go here, click on this right here. Alright, click Submit. Now we're going to come over here, and we're just going to clear all the cache right here. Alright, now we're going to come back over here and going to retest things. So you can see right here, 1.3 seconds, and you can see some green, some orange, and we're going to show you how fast your website will load just by adding this free WordPress caching plugin, okay, called WP Fastest Cache, okay? Here we go. Should be ready here in just a sec. And it should have improved a lot. Yeah, you can tell right here, 99 and 97%. Everything's in green. Okay, you can see 1.3 seconds is still about the same, but what's happening is things are loading up faster. So let's do it one more time. See if we can get it on 100%. All right, let's just wait a second here. Should be loading up really quick. All right, here it is. What do we got here? Alright, about the same, but at least they're all green right here, and once it's actually the WordPress plugin has ran for a while, the caching plugin, WP Fastest Cache, this is going to turn all dark green, and the speed is actually going to go below 1.3 seconds. It should get around under a second, so it's let's just do it one more time here for you so we can check. But usually after it's ran for about 30 minutes to an hour, things are going to speed up dramatically. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you out too, if you're new to WordPress, how you can get access to some videos that will help you learn WordPress a lot better for free. And it's our e-learning site for WordPress, okay? So, yep, it's improved a little bit, 99%, 98%, okay? So you can just tell as this thing runs, this should get closer to 100%, okay? So what I want you to do is below this video in the description, we're going to have some different links here. We're going to have a link that goes to our training website right here. It's called WPLearning101.com. This is our free e-learning WordPress website. We've set it up for WordPress Learning Made Simple. We want you to learn WordPress, and that's why we've given this opportunity for you for free. It's not going to cost anything. When new updates come out with WordPress, it's going to be 100% free. So when a big update comes out, we're going to put new videos that are going to show you what you need to do, how to do it, and what's changed, what's not changed, and make sure that you're in the loop all the time so you know what's going on so you can keep learning as you go. There's about 30 plus videos right now. Sometimes that number could change depending on the new features and stuff that WordPress is adding. It could go up, it could go down, but this is not going to cost you anything, okay? Now, today we were talking about WordPress speed. We're going to add some premium e-learning classes, which you are not obligated to buy or anything, but if you think our free WordPress e-learning course is really good, then you might look at our paid e-learning classes. Okay, we have one on Elementor, which will show you how to do things and make your WordPress website look very, very professional. like a lot of big companies out there, okay? Then we have a security one here. The Elementor is 17 HD videos, 26 HD videos for the security, and then 17 HD videos for speed. These are going to help you take it to the next level so your site's performing the best, looking the best, and is secured the best, okay? But like I said, don't worry about any of this right now. If you're new to WordPress, we want you to sign up today for free. It's not a 30-day trial or anything like that. It's 100% free. You get access to this. We keep updating it, and we keep helping you because that's what we want to do. We want to make sure that we can take you by the hand and show you, how WordPress works, and we can teach you along the way as you have questions down the line, and you can keep coming back to these videos to learn more about WordPress. So this is Chad Pornova. I hope that the video today for WP Fastest Cache helped you, and you can see how your site will load up a lot faster with this free WordPress caching plugin. So stay tuned for the other videos that we're going to put out. It's going to teach you about other plugins that we think that are really good. Some might be paid plugins. Most of them will be free, so you don't have to worry about that. We're just here to help you. If you like this video, please share it with everybody you can. Click the like button and share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, this is Chad Pornova. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.